Mixer. 10 in the auto mini helmet. 3 hanging out in Gypsy Queen. Ooh, wouldn't that be nice, Frank? All right. Pop this up there. Yeah, Gypsy Queen sitting at 3. Cardinals, Rangers, and Nationals. Grab our list. Randomize 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Who's got the Giants?
What's the Giants? I don't know. Is it a good team or what?
They've got Odell. Frank really wants him. It's like Michael got the Giants. Yeah, Cooperstown was the first break. I don't know where Nikos is.
You have you look for something?
Nope. Right here. That on the shelf?
Yep.
All right, guys, here we go. Bowman Sterling, pack 21 random. Good luck. Kyle Van Noy. None of those are numbered. Darquez Denard. Damian Williams. First hit, Jason Morrow. Rookie auto jersey. One is not numbered. Going to the Jets. Bo, B-O-R. Oh, no auto. Got the rookie auto, or rookie Odell jersey with a nice 2-color patch in there. Going to the Giants, Michael, P-A-L.
That's the card that Frank wanted.
No numbers there. He wanted an auto, but there's your Odell, Frankie. Your work blocked our site, Shane? Nice. There we go. That'll do it for Sterling number 21. Yep, really. Not an auto, so it's okay. Still a nice card, though. Eric's ready to make a deal. Oh, looks like Gypsy Queen is full. Do they block certain sites, Shane, or is it something to do with the site? They block a certain type of site or something. Looks like Gypsy Queen is full. So we'll do that one real quick, and then we can get into the bash, I believe. I want to hear Mush butcher some Gypsy Queen.
What is this? Baseball or football?
Baseball.
Oh, goody. My favorite. How exciting. Do you want me to grab it for you?